kitty cat. Finishing up this. Look at the freaking eyes. There wasn't a good size available for the eyes, so it's kind of like a chihuahua. She's adorable. Now I think I'm gonna use this pink and the lace. Like this. Change of plans. That other thing I was making looked horrible. It's not focusing, but the sun disappeared. But look. Sit down. Hey. Ready to go. Oi. I'm so tired. I'm gonna continue doing these today and probably something more fun later. And I do want to show you some things that I got with me from my mom. I tried to go a little quicker for the back, but it looks a bit more sloppy because of it. Anyway, I might move on to something else now. Time for lunch. I think I'm gonna edit a little bit now. It was such a long time since I edited, but I wanted to show you what I got. I got this sketchbook. I saw they had some moving things in a bookstore, basically. And this one was a little bit expensive, 250 crowns. I also got this. I think I showed you when I tried it on. It's super cute. Here's kind of what the shade looks like. Well, here's what the color looks like. It's very pretty purple. And then I got some new friends. So I don't think I've told you before, but my mom used to make dolls and teddy bears and stuff. So we went to the storage room downstairs and I picked out 2 dolls. She made all of the clothes and everything as well. And she does have a few more, but I don't really have space for it. I love the lips, just like a real baby. And then I got these teddies as well. Ignore my clothes. I also got these from her. But yeah, I don't really know where to put everything. I need to make some room. I need to go the selfie bag probably today. But yeah, okay. So I'm thinking of naming them Peter and Pietra, and then Kakao and Cardamom, I think. I have so many stuffed animals with names. It's it's starting to get a bit much. I'm going out for a walk. I'm gonna skip the selfie bag, but I'm wearing the pants I got from my mom. They're a little bit purpley, so they match with this. I just want to be a little bit incognito, so I'm wearing black. Don't mind my towels. I updated my teeth. Good morning. It's a rainy day here. It's gonna rain all week. And funnily enough, like I feel like this is the first time my hair has turned out this good. But unfortunately, since it's raining and I'm gonna go out, they're probably gonna just disappear. I've been drawing skulls. I'm gonna show you. I feel like I have, if I'm gonna show you, I don't have any time to draw. I did this yesterday for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna be very slow because I'm learning like where everything is. Here's what I made. Okay, first let's go back. I don't know what I've shown you, but I've done this muscle study, I guess. And then I did this. It was a little bit off, so I put this behind this paper because this is like croquis paper for drawing clothing and stuff. So you put this behind the paper and then draw. So yeah, it's pretty good to have actually. I made this and it's like, I would say accurate, you know, everyone's goes different, but it's basically perfect. And now I'm gonna do this 3/4 by looking at like the measurements. Maybe I'm done. It's very simple, but the teeth are really bad. I think maybe like these kind of quick ones are good to just get the hang of the proportions. It's 11, I need to go grocery shopping, so I kind of rushed the second one, but here they are. I think I'm getting more and more confident where things are, but it's still a bit confusing. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this without a ruler, because now I just use that to help me kind of understand. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this. And my rain boots. Maybe I should go like this. The thing is, the string isn't attached to the front, so it like kind of rides back and it looks weird. I hate that. Maybe I could sew it in place because they have no seam here. I really want a real perfume and like raspberry scent. But for now I got this. I really like this. I just wish it lasted longer. Did I show you? I always forget, but I put my name on here. I didn't have any more E's, so I did my middle name. Some earbuds. Piggy. This thing unfortunately got like weird. This knot up here. Oh my god. I need to get the laundry. I'm just gonna put you here. God, I got a package and it's a book that I ordered. I'm gonna show you later. Now I need to eat. It's like, oh, I thought it was a bit later. God, I'm so tired. I feel like when I'm filming, I need to use my brain twice as much. And everything takes like a long time. But I'm gonna try to eat this fresh bread with maybe pesto, but at least I got some veggie ham. Laundry is almost ready, but this is the book that I got, Women Who Run with the Wolves. It just came like this, so it's a little bit beat up, but I don't mind. I think whenever I get like a highlighter pen, I can use it in here. I just want this to be like a very used book. And now, I love raspberry and I love vanilla. This is like summer or spring of Taste the Summer limited edition. I don't love cinnamon usually, so, but that's what they always have. Hopefully they're good. I spilled tea. So I'm gonna change back to my PJs and then I'm gonna edit. Here's how my editing's going. I'm basically done. It's Thursday. I'm gonna upload this on Friday if I have time. I'm always worried if it's like good, so I think I edit a lot because I just want it to be somewhat good. I guess. And then I'm gonna do like the thumbnail and things like that tomorrow. So basically, I'm moving back to Tokyo